Yeah.
After what's that?
Yeah, we go. Nancy.
What's that, Bruce? Watch 1 minute.
Yeah. Let's say.
Apo.
Ishacha pa. Bia bako there.
Okay, now say.
Oh, fine. You may adom.
You who watch na hey.
Nancy. My friend na so onte.
Oh, what two free after that though?
Ah, Nancy too.
Oh, free that is obi na yire ne man wa hwe Manchester no kure go na. Dey dance. Oh, free that.
Na unu maybe okọ airport.
You can say once we took kwan so jane na se for ni tie face say dey ofri akobia fi afobia face o kwan wa na free abana betra won chen.
Oh, David. And bia na school na. Okay. Me no fi se me ko maintain nka. Na me ba down na se be hwe ni kira kwan.
Ana hanso ofri ache.
And mpacho unye hu be ko poti akotara sisi ade.
Dabi. Nti. O konso wanya hwe. Ai kire say bia obi ba kura bit me the information bia man.
All right, Mate. That's you.
Okay.
Bob is smartening.
Lucifer, here I bring the special blood you asked me to bring.
What is this?
The special sacrifice.
No, this thing is not sacrifice. Don't provoke me. I have told you already. What is this? This is not blood. It's not blood. I told you go and bring me blood. This thing is not a special blood. Why are you lying to me? Why are you lying to me?
I'm not.
I have told you, don't provoke me. When the three people will say, Ayako, Ayasa, I don't know. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Don't try me. If you started trying me, don't try me. If you try me, I could do my worst. Don't try to push me under the wall. Don't provoke me.
Sir, please, the PTA is already set and the parents are in. They are waiting for you.
Tell them to start with the opening prayers. I'll be with them very soon, okay?
Sir, is everything alright?
I'm fine. It's everything alright. Can you solve my problem for me?
When you say your escort mission was here, when you say commissioner, it will not use when you say the same tool in a Robertson's use. Yes, sir. Say the same tool and I'm going to use our money attack. It's a man say sounds like escorter. Now we should. It's a to Tukura and Kobibia. And that mission means my order is 244. C'est mon famille. C'est les payas. C'est ça on sait. Ko escorta. Unso. Ko ça et tout nous. C'est le joie. C'est au toit. Là où mon pied. Bon. Ada another person always. Somehow, and at the moment, some nations know how to do. But say you won't train. If you say it's the one you won't train, won't mean you so. And now escort me tea, and I'm cross out to me. Now, Mum say, there is a meeting way answer. I will be hard to me. Better moon, which moody. Moonim say, come be a. I want to commander. G. In Crawford. Musumone in Crawford, me commander, which moody. Yes, sir. Into my friend. You sound going. Now, escort bureau. If you say Cambodia, Liberia, Nigeria, and Kosovo. And I say, where's Sir John? And we my other side machines. It's never a bomb. Now, at the moment, I'm machines will be Dwomoh. My friend. I'm with days, any time, I was training Nasi. Catch them one. The other two guys, I'm also catch them. I am boy one. It's after training one. I'm going to say, escort mission. And the people so. If you say we're okay. Yes, sir.
Lucifer.
Don't try me. I am telling you, don't try me. Because if you try me, I'll do my worst. What kind of life is this? What kind of life are we living in this earth? I have told you, don't provoke me. Why are you provoking me?
I beg of you. I know I'm supposed to.
Are you begging of me? Don't try to beg me because I don't need your beg. I have told you what is happening. You're supposed to bring it, and what is the gain?
I beg of you. I know I'm supposed to bring the rich sacrifice you asked me to bring. That's what I'm organizing. I beg of you, in no time, I'll let you have it.
See, you are trying to organize yourself. Now you are trying to organize yourself. If I want a rich brat, give me a correct brat. If rich. Don't try it. I am telling you, if you try it, you are pushing me into the wall. Don't try to provoke me. I am telling you. Try as much as possible to do good things. Otherwise, you know what I can do. You think that you have the whole world into your hand so you can fool around, eh?
I beg of you, just give me some few days. I'm organizing myself. I know you want rich blood. That's what I'm doing.
If I want rich blood, and what? What am I calling you? I don't know. Come on, I can't come back. Sakamakasika no kamakaya nana. Ukomakasiki nene. Oh no, man, don't try me. If you try me, you provoke me, you will go down.
I beg of you.
I am telling you
Madam, let's see what
oh, I need Diagona, what Jimmy Colana.
what Colano? Now, no, I doubt for dear grind, so Tambo the Bono.
You know, Jimmy.
Mina need me. Madam here, coffee record here. But the boy bomina in 19 pounds. Moje tunu no. Madam.
Madam,
this is the second time I'm who be say you.
And yes, how part. Some cry me who akwalana.
Debbie, I say, obini ni baby, uye ni yebi, ewa oni akra we nwa me dwene wa mentiase. I say obini ni baby. It's getting too much. Mentiase.
As me who akwalana na ni sunsuma tom so.
Eh,
sanete. But we bra, unya no way.
I'm patrol face see
put in your butirati. Now butir.
I'm so much.
See, I'm Mr. Onim part, Mr. Kojame. Na yenko solve bibia sikasem bibia me ameteki na ye de akola na hospital am sure
na moje otumi ni anem ye moja kiti
na wo next time enye sabi moti ha o da bu no na pen no
kasa ah Debbie o just so percent too much.
Good afternoon to you all. I know you are all doing well, as I can see. The reason why you've seen me here is that there's ongoing excursion which is ahead of us, which is taking place next week. Some have paid their money, others have not. This time excursion is going to be a marvelous one. You are going to enjoy yourself when you go to this excursion. You are going with an air-conditioned bus. You'll be served in the bus drinks, food, and pastries. Pay all your money. And the dress code is white top and black track. Dress neat. You know this school, when we talk about neatness, this school is the best. So thank you very much and may God bless you all. Good day.
I don't last. Yeah, but I'm ready. I'm in the first day. I'm ready. But I check madam always because obey Kobia, but one nation between about the horses now for them. I hope say okay.
It's your friend, no, my friend.
Yeah,
oh guys, me Marsuel.
Oh, it's so dear.
Me dey na school very hectic akasa. Brankasa. Well, Mona, let's get straight to business.
Teacher for research.
The madam will call.
Okay. I'm done. And yeah, same there. Discussion on common. Bye, sir.
Very good, very good. Excursion, name say me opera for the home commander. Say this time around, you can see you jam me share. Momonza. I have parts and I wanna Agi. Momonza. Won't take you over. Now, annually, you have one specific site here. You cross over from Prana. You film. That's Kaku National Park. Now, Nasa can be many years ago. Let me say, I was in the call.
Danny, any camera married. Am I Yako? Oh, that one. Now, a foot over family man say. It's queer, you won't. However, it's it all. You're yet to say you open something. Yeah, a headmaster, yeah, then some constitution. No matter what you not is possible. Some possible chain headmaster, yeah, which and send a suit, say, a war headmaster, the ain't in here. Oh, quite you. ade ato ani don't want na honhun sa ade ato ani me de ade ba committee ma catch one say e ka betimi dia kenya make tuo bi le quiet master ho e na ntena ase ka che na say hedi e say na ba ayi me bibia free ntimi sraw me say me de me this time me de e kwa yi ne ba o beta so yi ne ba o timi nyina o timi ka che say ayi obi a bibio o timi nyina o ka say on ti afi tu timi na say I hope say ka everything be okay madam
friend how can you but don't you worry when you come in with us that's what we out man can't channel kana ni anga sa menu pa ni first one ni out don't worry it's me Thomas akasa say ya onye ni on take you over it's me on Thomas say Thomas na kamera ti on one machine chi in terms of we are
by the way my name Madam Maggie Crash I say I abogo na mabiso papa to 2 point
Patricia
oh let me tell you okay bibi ave fine I can ya tell bibi ave talk Danny we are sure so we ban say your excursion
trust me Rita
don't fail it oh
Danny one thing a fit over kwa me father man say ye de at nkoje betu obi a Bible kwa account was say twase ni pa here ti hwe ubewu na ye na okọ ade ato ani sana o nkasa na o che say Thomas be hwe cham no problem
Thomas be hwe cham
and ade ba ko say one time fa invitation card na man ama bo na say unza ma obi a
na stress ni
and then ade ya na ha me be always bibia kwa na me ando bibia be fine
no fa one time
ti bibia be tawachi Katis kanipa menu ni sabi akoko dia wanka eye no be kama
nya hwe brother
that's it me a football one okon hwe wo so yi
Why are you doing this? Why you want to provoke me? I don't know what is happening inside this. Want to push me inside the wall? Yeah? I am warning you. Please, I will do my worst. I will do my worst. When you throw the ball inside the wall, I think surely it will come back to you. What is keeping you long? The last time I talked to you, you understand it. This another day has come again. I don't know what you're about to, but please, don't provoke me. Don't even provoke me. If you provoke me, I'll do my worst. Come on.
Lucifer, with all due respect, I'm not trying to provoke you. I know your doings and your don'ts. I know what I'm supposed to do as my responsibility.
The day is getting closer and closer.
Lucifer, I beg of you, give me 2 weeks and I'll render the sacrifice to you.
2 weeks? Yes.
So I'm not going to challenge your mind.
It's more than you conquered.
I know where I was and I know how far you have brought me. So it's my responsibility, my duty to give you what you want. I said give me 2 weeks, Lucifer, and I'll give you what your heart desires. 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Are you sure what you're saying?
I'm sure of what I'm saying. Rich blood, not the fake one you told me.
Yeah, we na and one and you should turn your like I think second Tampo waterfalls and then
Aposombo, Homa Museum, Cultural Center, and Kakum National Park. Yeah. So far, the many, but it's not saying Kintampon, the Kumawood. And I Aposombo no Susa, because Christmas Day, wouldn't collide, snack and walk along January and now for young Colonel Susan, no Musha. Media, I prefer say a family and say it to 1, 2, 3. No say no dear tap for that. Hands is no class all the 2 hour phone anymore, Emma or Muyam and she sure. Kuma Museum and Captain National Park and Culture Center. And a year since a bit called Nancy. We shall see what will be said. I am for airport or the Johnson. You say the also. Yeah, airport, yeah, but last year, your call. The careless no near call. For we bra for let a block of chair, we could tell you free until this time, dear. I found a budget too. Okay, 39. Oh, 39. Now, Mamma knows when your feedback be from. The view so far, I mean, tea will be uncommon. Danny's way. Tinka. But I answered Danny no meaning and the whole area. It's no me qua. I couldn't feel. What practice a one friend would offer what today. Oh, also, Musi, you mean Nana, principal, if you had in their mind, say, yeah, it's not near to try things. Oh, my dear, my your mistake is what the hey, Becca, you're the way of stuff.
And yeah, you would feel so I won't care, Marsuel,
Mama Kai.
Adiasa.
Oh, yes, Monday, a excursion.
My headmaster and excursion would be seen.
Colony, no, qua, feed and Pesame could blow Mamma Nini.
On same warriors on sound count. What's me come a pouch?
No, feed and patch on Mamma Kobe.
It's the Benamo.
It's Monday.
Okay, Scassem woman.
I'm almost able to ask Cansaniaco.
Scassem Sacra Saw. What dear Matimini had Becassa. Name says Scassam was round home. Chumuch and brain, many a cat life now, but which put a multiplas.
Welcome.
Thank you, Commander.
What is it?
How are you?
Unsaka. Differences in that.
But someone said 4th Infantry Battalion of 64G there. You're finding Guinea. So they are kind and on the intimate me. I should have patched.
Reverend.
Amanda.
We're new type.
But someone said 4th Infantry Battalion of 64G there. No equipment can use. Indeed, the man who share boss and family and one of
when you say, what's no? Tambi almost G3. G3 no more IBBA and the winner is a canon. A bit what training over. A bit bonus and bow.
Ati what's na me pesa me fẹ́ commander na me no say me deliver ni man.
Okay.
Okay. Hello commander. Yes sir. Me deliver ni man nya dia ma commander. Yes sir boss. I'll see you intact. Okay. Yes sir. Okay.
Okay. There's a wood officer.
Oh.
Mama in Kasa.
That's it.
Okay. Hope Saka 348. Number.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sergeant Kusi Beko.
Commander in chief.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon to you all. The reason why I called for this important meeting is that I gave you some of the teachers some assignment to do, considering the excursion that we are yet to go. I've gotten my sheet and I'm totally okay with it. The first one, as we all know, is the National Kakum Park. The second one is the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. And the third one is the Cultural Center, which is the Kumasi Cultural Center. The first one is the problem I have with you because the National Kakum Park is a far distance. It's total far distance. So instead, I prefer the military forest zone. So does anybody have any comments against it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Please, can I ask a question?
Yes, you can go on.
Sir, please, I'm sorry to say this. Sir, military forest zone Kano, I don't agree with you.
Why?
We prefer the Kakum National Park. If you said, sir, for the past 4 years, I'm a bar school man, and when you didn't cry, no echo excursion. And even and crack more class 1, class 2, no, almost me call no, because I hope good. But some military zone one day, some no.
Madam Pat, you don't have to be sorry. Read my lips and listen to my voice. Are you telling me to allow you people to put this case into the bus to travel for such a long distance? That is 1. 2. Are you telling me to allow you people to go with the case for them to pass through that unsafe route? 2. And the third one, how many years have you been in this school?
4 years.
Better, because it was a previous headmaster. But this is the new headmaster, and the headmaster which should be your command. Hope that is clear.
But what? Sir, I've been teaching in this school for the past 10 years. And this is what we have been doing. We have been taking the kids to these various places. Yes. You started from the class of Nursery 1, Nursery 2, the preschool, the upper primary, and the JSS as well. I don't understand the reason why.
You have to understand, sir, because you have been in this school for so many years.
Yes, sir.
That was the previous headmaster. But this is a new headmaster. And the new headmaster which should be your command. Which of yours is impossible?
Please calm down. Please.
I'm not coming down because you have to respect whatever I say.
So don't you have to compare to also Sarah, right?
You gave me ultimatum. I seconded your ultimatum on 2 consecutive occasions. The last one is what I don't like.
Jesus Christ.
Madam, pardon me to say Jesus Christ. Let Jesus rest. It's a matter of you abiding by my words. Excuse me.
I think that you have to go to the headmaster. Who will be in school mother and son of Babeto. Ebe no attend you maybe because the okay cano, Unima the end waha, and into our cannon be sound until you're too bon. Nian Conho, your Conho one yet passing in the camp, or betting you maybe
Excuse me, Sammy, please, I have a class, please. Excuse me, Sammy, I have a class.
Madam Pat.
Yeah, Gabi. Now what? Asam na asino. Me enya say me do. How I had you seen ye o school man no. Me ka so mani jinwana me boa. Sabi o yete won ye nya nkura, ye nya moframa. Wuti be gina anim na wo kekam gu ye so. Ena sei na bia adan. Be unim. Ye also hu ne say ye nya teachers for a enkonti me gina anim. Ye na abonte so ye obi o timi me gina anim na ye kasa. Ye fa hye nanum. On the headmaster odan ya no. It will can on kabi. What I say? Be there was someone say, any excursion ye be kwa, and continue any enkasa. Your school must want to me enkasa rough. excursion in na eba beko. Enti kwa kuma to yam. Okay? E ma bibia ha.
Oprah. One thing I like, man notice you school man say. My dream ma bi ho ansi so. And when you the first time I order suban we di actually. If you cry ya free PTA meeting, student and parents aba like enema e course school my was here to share ideas no. So we teacher na we ya wadin say all the suggestion be ba. On for also obe shut down. What I say? And Matnasia noticing niema bia ma me dwene nti so because o dey head master no or ha ye transfer no. If na sanana ye be post na ba ha no krampo no ye di kanya no information say na nipa na tie obai osane ye nyina teachers nyina atena ase if a primary school po call ye no o ma ye hu but ono ba so obi anim ne background hwe yenim ba bi ofiri yenim school a okoye se school anu wo kono se no ye dey se na life start say obi anhu obi ante hwe what you say eno anso aba and asem we ne ye mentia sense even troop here ye be koyi anytime be locations a ye kokko visit no ehwa na anytime be master bi obeba bia ehwa na ye ko enti esi de no ono ko aba ye no o se on na obe change no. Until me ankasa no my spirit within me no like me feel maintain ya mase so me dear enya dia me join mo no ma because mentiase
Gabi also nyanto mase ye wo kan nyina no kre e wo musa headmaster ne ba school mu anom no obi anim ba bi ofiri obi anim the background ye nim say school no wom say na no wote so no we good say no we bad ye nim and so by yagina tum menu mi nya pan for school mu ha ye ka bi anim ye teacher for what think ye ka bi akim so ka bi anim sabi o wa fa ye nkra e na de bi o ka ye nim be wo se ni nyina chi no ye fa ne normal 10 okay excursion ye ba be koyi e na wo se den ye dwon e na de wo se kan so e kire say ka kum na we ye film na wo de military zone abehye mu Gabi normal normal how say tourist attraction or onipa ko ho every day nipa ko ho okay enti mane how
one thing is Oprah see committee na mo tena ase a mo list sa location na ye kwa visiting na me nka ho but the main ase ne say ono nko a ne ba ye no this time around ono nko a ne person will change no o change that place no and na me ankasa na me nti ase adentina sa ka komo nko a no or doubt to say chinchina o me enko ho that's my problem right now here. And I'm not going to follow you guys there. Period.
I am in charge. What is happening? Give me any explanation on that.
Lucifer, when you are everywhere, are you supposed to always make me get nervous?
Nervous?
That's it.
Why? You have to understand what I'm trying to tell you.
What do you want from me again?
You know it. I cannot explain it now. You know it.
I know it, and I've given an ultimatum for true good ways. 1 week is gone. We are left with 1 week. Why do you always try to baffle with me?
Are you trying to... I don't know. What are you trying to do? Why are you doing this? What is happening?
You came to my office. I gave an ultimatum of 2 weeks. 1 week is gone. We are left with 1 week. Based on the time frame, I have organized an excursion, which is taking place next week. And because you told me you wanted a fresh looking good blood, a sacrifice, based on that, I have directed the route through your channel, where you can get whatever you want, where you can get all the spices of blood for a sacrifice that you want. So please, just be at your corner. Next week, we are coming there. So please, anybody you found there, just capture, and it's going to be yours. Without hesitating.
You know, say this and I like you. You were more than a conqueror. You know, say this thing where you they do make my heart go down. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you?
I do.
Yeah, so I just love you the way you spoke to me now. Now you are a man. I have told you, me and you know it's forever. And I like you. But don't worry, everything will be okay. Okay? Don't worry. But I will be back. But your wish is my command. I love you too much.
Yeah, come on, yeah, see, we did. I'm here dancing. Yeah, so you're not come back to that. That's it, I'm also doing it.
Well, Gabby, let's get straight to business. Like, see, it's doing the same.
Oh, wow, a Komuka crowd.
Okay.
He's a headmaster in she about the excursion. And once I'm planning continue. But after so much, you see the locations in the corner. On my board in Asia. My board in Asia, my night now. But Danny, never be a coso. I wish you were there, because I didn't be uncovered to trade yet.
Sir?
When him say locations now, I'm going to go a was here called headmaster rejecting and place for rejecting the Kakum National Park.
Kakum National Park?
Of course.
Is he serious?
Reject how much I said, me drink one mentiasi. And even know in front of him, meeting us and one more being pon casao. Ubi one how, Ubi one how, Unimuna dada.
First time in history. If you can see that.
And I meant yes because even a honor and crank it and get even cage for crying it.
Be a way.
None. After so rejected, there be our cancer for young friendship. Retreat for a zone.
Retreat for a zone?
Yes. And mentias here. Copy say, hey. Yes, no, Sadibu and I cost one Casanua. What to one and here to guess. And now, what to a wound, sir. Sir. What did the last some years ago, young Kai, a DNC, South military for a zone. What kinds of soldiers be quiet training? The pimps are so moving, Sabot in a chill, so many refugees. Yeah,
I think somewhere 2001.
Yes, if you soldiers or more young penny for my yes, so quiet training. So move, yeah, Sabot in a chill, so more yrai, a pimne. Yakata some so a bad graphics. Now we are Katasu.
Still a mystery.
Tintin must stay, Chinchina, what dear Chinams and one young cock. Even the last time master no just walk even Sakakum National Park or no for Louis and me in an half a day.
Well, Gabi, slow down. I was so slow down. So, what I say, also, yeah, sometimes a strange man.
Yes.
My spot was adding twice, but my fun is so serious. Someone so cashing. It's okay, only me. Young company, and your grandpa, and teaching. So, say, one of her in a young company. Because now, I was saying, stay back.
Yeah.
The only reason I'm part of the planning team. So, I'm trying to Gabi. The bear say I have to go with them. But I say, boy, it's in a quite beyond twins.
What do you say? Master, I'm interested. Because sometimes when you Casana, send me ye in a ninin and sa. I'm interested. But Mimi, I know, said he be busy, I would me catch me. I'm so busy and to catch me. To me, dear. Kabeyanka economy teachers in Nkasa. So would your monko.
na me no bi no ye ne dey ye nhwe akiri what you say if you mo kwa dey hwe ada classes na ka ho e bitim no my classes no e bitim a just kakra e dey share ho because this excursion no me can't leave you.
Was speaking. Don't say planning team. You must be my name. So it's me and so the young pie. I am doing good money. So I say about me too.
Yeah, we need to do fasting and prayer before the travel location comes.
No, so. Say yeah. So for the if we feel ban. Sir. Are you okay?
Are you sure?
Okay.
But the maybe sabi area.
Kwanso de boko. Eh. Na dia mo juja.
We me free school by na mo juja o.
Ai.
Anopa me ba na me te se mama ne ka so be juja ntino. Ejare se na yi na so.
Mama ayi kaka.
Be ne dey.
Aja ye ba ha enye boni boko. Na de pese ka cho ne se. The headmaster da na do school mo ne de. Ya ye na ye nim ye se entwa yi. Nti ye pese ka cho se funny easy. Ti esro. Fine.
Distant word the master yi nteye. The way you maintenance you. Look at baby Osei and excursion. I didn't think Kumawood now see young military honor.
I know the air not yet tackle, but dear baby Osei and Connie dear may maintain that. Now true mutai obey any day. Shall I say?
No. Me menya clear honor. Menya clear because military honor no. This is my first time.
Never. Me de meet me catch you and say, "Ono na ye penny or that ye hinaya no." Uncle, so ye be BCC or Juma bet me abo.
Look, I said the whole staff, yes, yeah. Now what raise the topic? Abana said, Minya okay. The way Osei treating me on and you're good.
Oh, I know no dear, dear, but obey and day. Ye day, I shall say. And see, and one is obey too. Now I hear, sisters.
As someone more can I my dean. Yes, I be a Masuni how. And I say, yes, I be a me for so. No more. Time I free meeting I yet why castle. Some headmaster being an kind. In fact, me see me young casa. Ah, then a Kakum National Park or was a young called military forest zone. Ah, the India, me tease as a me shimmy. Sisters, me my dream for us how. My dream for was so crab because it only say me shimmy was somewhere, meaning something wrong will happen. It's in my
ah, ready to be see.
We are sure.
Funny sir, so only a penny and a what can answer. It ain't mean Canadian any day, and share, and a do your dorsal, and a memman so kind. It's a bit me ako.
Maintenance you seriously.
You funny sir, says I was saying in memman so casa. They send you a very young Niagara by a barco. Say a Cocacoon National Park. Say I say your baby, a military park was a day, and then Niagara by a barco, I wait to me.
Saying Auntie me de yaba ha de pese ka chon say nyamuche enko ye eni gidigidi bia o
I mean headmaster fufu ya ba de me nim senior city
o maintain ba ko no kura nke no ano no eja omo no mo se omo mpenti omo pe fufu
say en na yete ho
master we de facha me na me ya de kito bi madam Rita say ofre me
say me twen wan na womba I have an appointment tina o se me ko okay de ma me suma se em fro ne say nkura ne wo efre excursion amokon No, some organizers can I'm the mouth. But my train, you were not coming, and I can't handle it to a different person.
Oh, no, me shaman crown or the normal international massacre, the fashion.
Sikawi emoju, omo welfare, omo didim, any car, bus, bibia.
Oh, no problem, massa.
Hope that is clear.
Oh, everything is clear, massa. But trust me, okay?
I'll trust you if only you tell Danny about what I have given to you.
I don't have problem. Good. Okay. So thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Mia.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Why surprise?
You shouldn't ask me that one.
I'm sorry. Fache me. Say monte min kadi. But nimo bi na say amanyoma basa mama kakranti na say monte min kan. I know. I say come be fie kra na say come monte min kadi. But fache me. How is Zach?
He's fine. We are just there.
Oko school there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I'm planning to come back to Kumasi probably 3 days from now.
Oh my God. Bro, see, I know what you can do. I hope that's not a prank.
Listen to me. I'm telling you the real truth. I'm coming to Kumasi 3 days.
Oh my God. Zach Mbeti. Art. Okay, Matiani Mechen.
All right. My greetings to Zach. All right. I just say me bye.
Baby Pacho, Usima, just let me know, Bell Usim. Now, I'm prepare some delicious pot on pot of incho. I be, you know, your favorite.
All right. Bye. Take care too.
Go headmaster say see me kasa no because me chere say for me news na obejima dia say ma catch dem say na ma ba me no me na so me no ko bebo no unya manya say na ma ba me no me na ewe bibia
ati opera me sure
then camera yes asem re obe kan say last year excursion na ekwa nke enya problem you go use some sprinter bi no e ke ho ya akochere na feel su kwabo no kwara population no very very high increasing eti me the matter can pesa me manu me no toto an say ka fi no ke empe mini bus bi sa ye fan kwane nyina mu say be ya nkonya problem and also dey say very good idea
say daddy say opera na mo free one ever mbo
if you can ever oba me chain on the bus issue me me jam me tin
na me here the minute the near the chap especially say last year you didn't quite use sprinter you ho kwakere so be kaya a feeder can be sent come here the born ke be minibus e kwara ke you ho kwakere e no ho obubu na me the jam me ka
ya sister the way I'm okay sketching asem a headmaster change Kakum National Park walk
military for his own
and casting no idea happened the wrong way still last more so for you don't know what I see in the spiritual realm. I wish say sometimes I may down come on damn a bed in and die any vision I mean we are didn't try be so in Chedamo bro mo ya ye painful mo mason ya ye
Gabis. I say I didn't we are dragging it too far. And then Masunda here, watching many vision. I did many say it's getting too far. I didn't. It's so tight. Sisi ono okasama final. Sisi Mr. Man, young tight ni na yanko. Cause
the Pia Masunda, my scene is getting too far. Then my headmaster chair only a meeting. A catcher say, I Kakum National Park on Fuaso, near community for a zone. No, no, Biao.
No, yeah.
Okay, now Obian Fuaso, and Yabasa. Or no, buying also, and a headmaster or Diana and I buy also. What can we do? No, say, what's Yako? And Menasu, and near Saturday, or try Sunday, and it's Monday. Your Cassie. Casa de Biaoni come. And now, Munyako, and a Munya say, it's a Chaconis Camumana. Sorry for me to say this. Some no Casa, no man was Islamic Casa and the ones. Come and labyrinth. Excursion, what you mutate. What could be? Maybe I come. I want you maybe a question. I can't tell them. Maybe a quiet ball. Headmaster Nack also on not buying a whistle. And what can I make for us? And now, baby, Osei, and create your escaping fee. I granted to my phone, say, yeah, quick sketching. Hey, now, 1 Monday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, a quick sketching. They're very tired and some bounce. You can't do that. Look at last year, your worship. I can't baby your program, and an answer what so headache. Who could have said? Yeah, the quite close to go between Gina headmaster and catch and say, headmaster, I'm from some talk and some vessel. I'm out cartons one. I yanta granta. I'm out of the home of whom you mean I'm man, a bassa so my beauty. Because I tend to know the job and I'm so pay and enough. Oh, Casabi, my boy, and someone not paying them. Yeah, question up on do, yeah, we never I give you a million that you don't get behind.
Said the many was Canada. China air the chair the omniba forest. You're vigilant and find you may be in the agro. Send the Biana Yana, but Modian said this time around won't full up. Try so be a pepe. Feeling your bra. What? You see, that's why you're ready until Bomotin and the
Fine. Good afternoon. Madam.
Patrol na one day soon.
Oh my God. Yeah. That is great. That is great.
Hey, bro.
Mm-hmm.
If I try fresh.
We say you worried that where I'm coming this afternoon. Meaning, say by all means, wouldn't say a be number. Wouldn't time see him.
Charlie, freshness be what?
You also look good. Come on. Alright, so how is Zach?
Oh, good. That reminds me. Maybe if you said anything with it, so from me catch you say or for excursion.
Yeah. excursion.
Yeah.
Or excursion in Nana.
No, that was 3 days today. In our Dwomoh Nkrumah Museum.
I know one country.
You know, I was very, very happy. The joy was too much that I have to forget everything. I even forgot my sweetheart, my one and only boyfriend, Jack. Sorry. See, today, the Buffy, Kumasi. Does it. Military Forest Zone.
Military Forest. Kumasi High.
Forest Zone. Kumasi High.
No, come on. You can't be telling me that. This can't be true. Tell me it's not true. Tell me it's not true.
But that is true.
No! Come on. When the mom was on call, you don't know the reason I'm saying all this. You should have informed me for the first place.
But just calm down.
No, I shouldn't. Oh, God. Be telling me that. Listen, unim pepe said, be a fan who be and I told you to catch me.
What am I never? If there is something, just tell me.
Listen, I've been there before. Because of the entire military, because of that forest. Listen, you should have told me for the first place. You made a mistake for not telling me. Come on.
Tell me my little Jack is safe.
Listen, I hope so. I hope he's safe. And listen, I need to call that off. I need to call off that excursion now. Number one is it's not safe for him now. I'm telling you the truth.
But you didn't blame me. I never knew.
No, you are to be blamed. Yes, I saw catch him say, and that boy, listen, that boy. When he said that boy is not my son, you know that. He's not my son. Yeah, if anything should happen to that boy, I'll be held responsible. Come on. You can't be telling me this. It's my full responsibility, you know that. So, sir. Listen.
Let's go. The right side.
Mommy and far left here now. How far name?
No, it's the right side.
See, you should not turn. I said bridge. Until then, your power left here. As I be see. Bandit the Musa Baha.
That's the right side. According to the map, we should have taken the right side, not the left.
It's the right, miss.
It's the right.
Eja. Let's cook.
Oh, no.
I say, someone I'm Nimuha.
Hearts. Let's cook, right? What's the left? I'm left. Okay. All is well. That's it, yeah. Let's go.
It's the right side, though.
Okay, yeah. All is well.
Let's go. Also, I think said you can the young folk, on the room, you know, it's the right side, not the left. No, but you know what we go down.
I can last 3 digits.
5, 7.
5, 7.
6.
6.
I'll also check the madam's name.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. But your Mr. Fripone Kasi. Alright, good. But your Andrew. Yeah, Andrew. But your I learned say when Korani be excursion a year and there. A military forest zone. A year forest reserve map and so yes for no. But your P any dear kwaso, Mestro. Says Samra Minokasi. A beya more. Just call off the excursion, Siaminokasi. Call off that excursion because your morning is safe, mommy. Please.
Tell them to come back.
Miss Rewa need you kwaso. Means to make a we are true. Yes. I've been in military. Mako Hoppe. I know the reason why I'm telling you this. Call off that excursion right now. Yes, Zach Meba. Meba Zach. And listen, sir. If anything should happen to that boy, you'll be held responsible. What's the catch on? All right, I insist, but if you also insist, you're fine. Okay. Say we have 1 to 2 hours. 2 hours time no maba. Say man ti omo kan and man ti so ma school no ma. Please. Let's be Pia Tonkra now, you'll be held responsible. Telling you. All right. Bye. Listen, he's still insisting.
So what are we going to do now? What?
Please, less than 2 hours. Send me to Onka. If not,
I can't lose my little boy. No, I can't lose Zach.
It's everything I've got. Tell him, sir. It's everything I've got.
Come. Sit down. Yeah, come in.
Francis. The fact me say maybe come say want me nka.
Na me so beba Wednesday.
And the year buy. I say me ba. Me hu nkra akwa na che na hana so no me free her for some time me ntimi me hwe say na Mexico. Na could you believe say me buy so no me ba Zach. Okwa excursion. Minimum hwe. For the past 3 days now I was starting so okwa excursion minimum hwe. Hana so am mama ne.
Oh, I didn't hear.
Bis maka chene se bibia fa ni school hu bia bo mo de ma me hu empu no ba fia frɛ me na me ne nkasa tam bia from time to time ne di komo na de ntina wo ko excursion went me anka ho hwe ankyere for the past 3 days ni Ese ko kacha say bia me adoma ene wo be excursion. Wo china so be excursion. The nance so be excursion wan kan wo hwe ankyere me. Ene medu ya wo he a so excursion. Ebusa say fa mo ko ya o see wo be jedi se Kumasi ha military forest zone e ho no ko.
No. Sa forest na ye ko ye training wo mu a. Sa nimpa ne beto hye so no.
E ho no mo ko excursion. How? Our forest wa ye kwa ne battalions a wo ko ho no ma ye ko ye training, serious training, tactical training kwa ye nti mo na nti me survive no. Ene ho na nkwa no rank tinketi akwa excursion.
How so mu ja san kura we mo ko excursion was sa forest o.
En kwa rank tinketi o. After ye kwa ye fam we dey fam nyina echi kwa no commander say insist say yes anko obi. E ho na ma me resign soja juma. I resigned it. Say me nyiso ejuma bim. What I say?
Na me so me follow. First ani e ko ye training na ne hu nwe wo ho. But say why na wo ho bio. Sa mo we no omo ba ho omo be ha ye omo kunkum ye no. Omo ko je wa.
Amane ye hu wo forest. What amane ye hu wo a number of days I do wo forest as it me survive.
I don't know me mistakes and what you nka.
And let me be do ye me busa ha na no. And o ka chem na say no. I was very angry. It's me friend na me get number no free. The one me get headmaster number. Mr. Frimpong. My friend ka chem say no on call off that excursion sisi am na kasa. O ka chem say omo less than 2 hours am an kona dey ababa.
Chale.
She said no ka say 2 hours in you apa 2 hours about you. Ya kwa mahana kwaje madam ne number kwa so on friend madam no say empu akwa no mo he o ka kire me say o onya network kwa no afre no
unye obi a
cannot be rich school mo ka mo timi mfre obi a wo forest on sisi an kwa no mo he
ye mompa ye ne nkra yo mo konya attack bia anya sa ade a o mo ko wasting cray life.
Dani, where ben we out there, Monsieur Quan, so I say, be a mobile, much do you didn't have the dabasa.
Sentinel Americano. Sentinel Americano.
I find them so that's move from up left or right.
Sakaya Nama! Kunda Sikena! Kwati kaya na magaku. Ukuma ka sikin. King of darkness. I am Lucifer. The land of wickedness. Who is the man to conquer this world? I am Lucifer. I command you to come. I command you to come. Come. Wood. Tassen. You are my people. Serve me for the land of wickedness. Sakayanama. Come and worship me. Come, Sakan! Ukwamakaya! Kamakasikana Yakavakatu! Sinkana, come and serve. You are the king. King of darkness. I am the land of wickedness. Who can fight? Nobody. Come. Listen to me and listen to me very carefully. Yes. We are the king of darkness. I am come to send you. Go to the land. My people is there. Go and bring them to me. Do you understand? Go! Go!
Go and bring them. Sakaya nama. Kamagasikana. Kamagasikayana.
Answer me kind. You drew junction no. According to map no. Let's see far right. Or see this is far left.
Relax.
No, Debbie. And you relax it. Say you buy excursion and say betina ha say. That's not almost 30 minutes. Yet here day. My fed up.
Calm down. Pass. You get that fine. Come on.
Pipi eni enya abotre. So no no ne eba.
Obeba time be. Oh,
This girl having too much.
Ana omo no omo yedede o no.
But I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Enya abotre no mbeba.
Relax. That's all.
too much. My bro.
On the make catch on. Buade. And quite on be muade. Said of you and many tunes come up. Tell me could be a dimension. But the could be has to be dimension. What? Okay. A paras watch you say, Anna.
Come on, the crowd.
Yes! 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 I am that I am! I am that I am!
Mr. Pimpom, I wonder why dear pan a cow would see and decided to say, oh man, can I excursion for us? That place is not a place of visit. It's not a tour site. So, then the come dear pan, I'm sorry to say that, dear pan, who would say, oh man, can I call for visit? Says excursion. Because I want to hear Kanankasa, I don't know, impossible, I don't know, so we a background check. And if we found I don't know. You know who won't tell Mama excursion. That's the question there. Me throw some mumbra. Me throw me catch you call back the excursion. Who catch me said over here probably by 2 o'clock.
Being the headmaster of this special school, it is my wish, said the beer and a measure the Nkolanepe. I could do stage beer, I was so whom you might be bringing so, you know, the castle. I could do a wound you obey in Dutch, but first experience more when you say Juma win a Dutch mayor. And this opportunity about Toho, next question about Toho, next someone called Nasi Bibisa Tua. Why do you have to come and talk to me in that mood? The way you spoke to me at the office, I never liked it. Trust me.
Me, Joanno. Eh, as a man here can yen ye. South Forest na ye can. Any place of visit to. Any tour site. And if you have your investigation concerning that particular place, who your background check on that place, say hono a tour site and if you be a Hoppe for excursion, me tibida, ubusaya na, and you leading crowd forest on up to now and 2 omanka. You know, some ubusaya na. One year can once that place na yeka once on me, I'm a soldier. I've been in military for some years. I've had terrible experience in that forest. I never know because till date, you move being one, so you need being one man of coin so on South Forest only because of what we've seen there. Now and then woman crowd we grant we so sketch was South Forest. Say it, a zone, but we've never been there before. You go beam, I've been there before, but I'll never go there again. Say it. Listen, you're making a mistake. Oh, you're a great mistake. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. So, what do we do next?
They are supposed to be here today.
So, time and pound.
The day is too young. The day is too young.
Oh, come on.
The day is too young.
It's not too young.
The day is too young for me.
Shoka say ye. The meaning who never be the who. What's the big catch on? What I've seen in that forest won't be that. Be very careful. May catch your show me ye. You are digging your grave.
Is it a warning or a threat?
It's a warning.
You can't warn me.
Listen, it's a warning.
You can't warn me.
My only son, Ekahu. Now, send me to and then can move back ehuna mania.
But you want
I told you to be coming today. The day is still young.
Be very careful.
You can choose to go to her. I don't give a damn shit to that. After I've given you an ultimatum that today they are coming, they didn't see you. What do you have to still give me pressure? And tell me you are warning me. Can you warn me? Am I the type of people that you warn? Oh, Sharamuta, don't go there. Don't just go there. You are dealing with the devil, so be very careful.
Chicago.
Commander.
Abaso.
Commander, we just how you training. And I was sorry so about. Man, said who your father no share say as what the pana you now so metina.
Mumu ye training jamo.
Jai
So oba.
So oba.
Wan ka be o kwanchire.
Wan chire be o kopati.
Okay. No problem. With a sako, na mo training. We training hard.
Yes sir.
I see no. We are forest inside.
Yes sir.
Yeah, me follow age.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
We training hard.
Yes sir. Thank you sir.
Yes. Hey, Abbas, come back.
Commander,
where are you going?
I'm going to private.
You are going to private?
Yes, sir.
Without telling anybody?
Oh, Commander, I'm very sorry.
Let me tell you something. In soldier,
yes,
you need backup. Always in case of emergency. Eh?
Yes, sir.
So go baby or so cry.
Okay, Commander.
Do that mistake again. Now carry on.
I'll be right back.
Fool.
Good afternoon. Sir. No. Mr. Gabi. Dwomoh. Dwomoh,
yes. Sir, na I say all free school number.
Yeah, I finished upon class here.
Samu. Na ya moko excursion sana ya na musan ko school.
Oh yeah, on say I will go no bia na team yeska. It clear that excursion fee na man ba no. Enti nkwa na man team anko no. Ye teachers na e catch no ya ehwe. Eto omo back school. Na ye chiro ma di finish upon class.
Aha, san mehia ukwa de ye. He said assembly chiri ma dwen kakra.
Okay.
Since I almost started so moko excursion. Nze omako baby too. Nze omako nkoma museum no moko bia so a. Omo frɛ me nya feedback say bibi e koso kama. Enyumre no so mba beduru omo frɛ me ehu so mba beduru. Omo kɔ nkoma museum ye te omo nka kama. Na omo kɔ
culture center.
Culture center nso ye te omo nka. Sa.
No kwe. A teacher ni ba ko me pen dani. Baby omo be ko bia no. O man feedback bi o kwa mtimi ye no ye video call. Anopa na me ne kasae. Na o ka chem sa Africa no modwere wi a. On ba be fro bass. Na bi o makọ military ye ho no no. But within be 3 hours time me frɛ bia afra me nya. And anytime bi o move a within be 30 minutes time no ma reach baby o mo kọ no.
3 hours more. My friend will be a phone with it. Until I'm a cry, my worry, Taka Ben Mintin say, a network problem, and now say, be almost phone, maybe batteries are running because teachers bed cleaning now.
The same thing to soon on Madek. Come me kwana me shedem. No friend me say, bisa me say, my tibis mark mon come. Now friend madam na ya no free sinus na friend unya no.
Okay.
Na me say, omo de mi ni obi a number.
Yeah.
Tina em nwanwa because by this time they also mo bedu fee.
Yeah.
Ntimi hu say dey na ekoso say dey na ekoso. So ama wa ye yi sa na akoba ne sense kra no say nyo no nko awo.
Yeah.
Fi say nkura ne tusa. Kom na awo fo no so ehu bi kra akoto mo so ne ade ade. Fi so mo ma ya mo friends no mu nya obi ade ya. E be problem so no
because
awo fo no.
Yes.
So hu.
Because me ne kasa no say awofo no bi so frɛ ebusa nti se ne wo kasa momi aye worry saa so na ebi so tifia why worry but me hunu say nya yi bia e be ye network no
kwa de mate bibi kakra kwa de nya na so kakra bi se se de na woni ni ye no na ha bi ne me kwa mso hu de
ne nkasa se anopa no meti o mo nka no mu dwa ya kokora but e bia network
na ye mompa yan so se ye bedu anyumre de no mo Jenny, yes. Waja, mwenye na sura.
Ntino de.
No usenya maka.
Yeah, ntino ya na kasa.
Closer. Yo.
Francis.
Andrew.
Yeah. T. I can feel them. What? I can hear their smell. Omoben here. Nemu de chene say a free hair quantity or more around. Yet me 19 mum, so as usual.
Yeah.
We need to split off. Timisiro, be very careful. When you come cran home, teach you.
Alright, Andrew.
Okay. All the best.
Yeah, and I think in 2 hours' time, we'll see a meeting.
Yes, in 2 hours' time. All the best. Shoot.
No! Abbas!
Abbas is gone. I always tell you people that as a soldier, you need a backup always. Cover him. May your soul rest in perfect peace. What is that?
I don't know, Commander.
Pull up. Move!
Jesus.
I just say I'm in Kwa. Hey, Papa. It is here. See, a DNA see ya. A man who to me casa. Huh?
It's when it's a catcher. Hey, a brand up by the castle in Kunkujan Queen. I'm afraid bigger than the camera home. We never get in one of mine head. You will one corner, sir. I'm seeing Johnny a chain. The Johnny a channel. Mine not say. No one, ma. I dare be a woman say, "I can't get me."
It is a happy way.
Me power you for none. Did you know? Mine actually yet to take John. I feel me come in 1 2. Most and from a baby, where's Madame? To a never begin now. If not as a home, now I'm going to be. What am I giving the boom and make some say, the Abanon? Now I'm crying my kind of way.
Opera, you see, Uncle, I need it. You say, me, what baby, your maffa. Yeah, ready. Obima, my former.
Madame, wouldn't you be? Wouldn't say I'm not for money, do my bone more. Some kind of Obaku crowd teach ma. Young bachelor,
Momsa.
You don't buy any dear. Madame, dear, I'm one of the moment. That can you move by. And Quaracan, you form and cook baby, and cook baby see. You move by.
Ready, Patica and Pow, when he empty.
I think a woman. Sorry. Nara Mufiban, what is I?
Opera, me name see a chin you. See a name na you. It's me.
Hey, Madame, young queen. Now, people have been found crying. See,
yes, you never boy.
You never boy. Every one is shot, Madame. You shot, Madame, the teacher's not come. What I say? It's young queen, we didn't show call. We can't. You must see. Hey, so what did I just say? You live on.
Commander, why?
Guys, Commander. Maybe I'm imagining Econo. A different. Abbas will know who you know. Imagine me say, if I crow, they were around. So when back here, you know, no, be between be follow ye, you won't be. So, which they say, if I crow, would you intend? And also, who say, your commission, and aha, soon you training. It me a sure say, if I crow, a track here. Ni amaye ni andawa, obekuye one by one. Say Abbas is the kind. It was see a being. And I say, and Sabeka Kwanswa. You say, Chim. Na it become north. Na it was so fast out. I mean, sure say, yes, sir. In Sabeka Nipacro. Yes, sir. Come ye be yet here. We will serve you. Hey, Abbas. Ain't black? Boss. One star boy. Commander. I say. We say in Chicago. Never say.
You say, the bedroom could be. Chicago.
Come on.
Rita, my brain. Rita, my brain. I said, me who make I? Me who make I? Hey, I no kwe.
I didn't want Sunday and I saw a baby agent.
I said, okay. What? By no dear choose so. I said, more carry home.
It's not dear.
My brother.
I see you. Yeah. Then, what's the opinion? You know? Maybe the Gina. Chon. Change now. Give you a home. Then, change. Shimmo.
Cobra. So the guy, you didn't intend to. I far. We have to dispatch. You know our training. Me person me far. Now follow no. You grip on. Okay. Because you know our training. Yes. We'll meet.
Ntul.
Sir.
Ngwana now.
Sir.
Huh?
Na me Doris nana. Ba ya kwanu ye ko hu ade ba senten time. Na ba me kan Doris anjimi andi. Nto ya na adwo so kwa akohwe. Pekopa na ade ne tam ne ko ye. Tim na menya akwandwa ne ye.
I senten time. Very strange. Uni bibi. Now you have to follow me, okay? The mechano. And it's all here. Okay. Good girl. Go. Stay close. Stay close and watch. Who are you? And what do you want here?
I'm just a people's teacher, and I brought our people here just for a simple excursion. That's all.
You are a people teacher? Yes. And your name?
Well, I'm called Sedan.
Sedan.
Abai.
Timona mabwabu na foman. Edio mabba deadly forest ya. Some badu kunkumo.
Abai, aseme na ofu. Mean to me gada me amen call for informal massing. He will come. Think about it. Mean to me, yes, sir.
I didn't know to me, yes, sir. Yes, we actually banner. Their research na moye ya nti modern Kranaba forest ya. Genoa.
Research inside and I say, Yan Shedanino, so serious. You know, just a simple one.
Timanya research biana maswanko for Madio. I'm up a forest women a yamamu. Huh? Tell me something sensible. What's the with the name, Mamma?
Send me bush on me explaining.
Who you what? Huh?
Let's just play, huh? Let's just play. Try to explain. Don't worry. Huh?
Hey, freeze. Put the gun down. Now!
Yeah, I mean, Nyabuchirame. Alright.
Stay away from the gun.
Okay. Just go down. Nyabuchirame, what's it? What and why?
I want to see your face.
Oh, Roger, man.
No,
Roger.
here. Please. Show your face. Now.
Listen. You're only wasting my time.
Show your face. Now.
Alright. My memory. Boni pa me. One why?
That's one why.
Yes, a soldier.
Yes, you are a soldier. Listen, sound kwang hiawa from rim hako before you lose your life. Now!
Yes. Your question, Busau.
Ube busa me questions.
Yes. Surrender.
I never surrender.
Say surrender!
I never surrender!
Oh, so strong. Yes.
I'm a soldier.
You are what?
A soldier.
You are a soldier. Soldier, my foot.
I'm a soldier.
You are a soldier.
Yes.
Cobra. That boy way.
Commander, time now near track. It will be now. I say we'll be at it in time. To far left, me far right. Show me who you commander.
Hey. They been open upon. Hey. You know when Casano. They been open upon.
Commander. One of you were soldiers.
Soldiers?
Former soldiers, I mean.
Liar. Soldier.
Yes, Commander.
Indeed. Soldier with Rasta. Soldier. Soldier with this hair.
Former soldier.
Which unit?
4BA.
4BA.
Commander. In an TSN crab excursion. From military forest zone. Yes, any more records. And if so, you danger zone. And you pass your baby rescue.
Momo Basim rescue Koran. Mumu say, aha, danger zone. And a Momo Pedewa. Yaya, what poem, training, you say, Nkodabi, poem. Number trace and whatever poem.
Commander, as I'm no crown or catch you. And Kwana best case you are. Or move back with me.
Liar!
Yes, I have a son among these children. It's by a bahainano. The mere reason here by the Sibon Crown, and it's just like a home.
Chicago.
Commander.
Okay, say. Time why you do a bus from what became.
You won't be cutting him where you
I tracking a Sankano.
Commander Makaipa.
You suspect your power. Go finish him, where you wicked. Munde now, Starboy is Wahifa. Starboy Wahifa. Which is a moon and a mukuamu. Say, Sanka Starboy. You the moon, a bishana.
What you're saying about? They are dead, so one more dear, and I just move.
What I'm talking about?
You don't know.
Commander.
Talk too much.
Trust us. Commander.
Sorry, Chino.
Listen. The lives of those children are more important than your 2 soldiers.
What? You talk too much.
Listen, they are more stronger and dangerous than you and I.
Hoppe, man,
Oh, me yet tonight. You won't go for whoop more. We've been here before. Some can be a king. Some battalion we burn her. The moment you actually want Eka only 2 surviving soldiers. Yeah.
We are the 2 survivors.
The free honor. Piama Hamby training team. Kopemsen and Siana. I shall see it in you. You shall lose your lives. You move on and resign and say, yeah. In your soldier PM.
We could actually say, Munamukum Sasu.
Now get up! Get up!
Hello! Get up! I'm in Castle Chum. The Santa Moko will be a chimon. Say it through. Now you are never go cry. The Santa Moko will be a chimon. Say it through. Now you are never go cry. If free this time, at to Emery, we'll make sure say, when the moon
Listen, I don't grab a boy faster, may you find out.
Chicago,
I don't grab a boy.
Fanuko.
Hey, that's same your call.
Hey, Cobra, come here. On the front.
The wicked must die. I am that I am. Kama gasikan na kuwa mana. Magasikan na.
Hey, my friend, move. Move. What are you planning? Now move. Move!
You can trust me. Came for a rescue mission and that's all. But you're going to danger zone. I need to don't trust me. Eh? I'm a former soldier. I can't deceive you.
No, I bet him say hi, hi, baby, but training. Won't you met him another 7 salon? And feeling some cold. What you say?
We can lose our lives, soldier. When you say, came for rescue mission. We came here to rescue the students in Dasset.
Catch you. Forest for students and mass catch you. One more catch them say. Minko students. Eh? Your mouse hammer go see in see a whom call is now. That's finish so simple. Give me a call.
Soldier, sure. Sunny me. So sunny near. Me do any near. The forest. We will say, as my can in intro.
Maybe your weapon be anymore. The time weapon in our training zone one more. Cause of training to bullet in NASA. It's a cup cast too. I'll call command now and about calling other colleague one more. Tell where for fear.
Maybe Anna, any commander, maybe a commander chairman. No weapon a cow. You bet my for honey for weapon. What yes, I won't trust me. I will bet my handle weapon. No way, the near. the son of wedding and large. So the child. So the who and really papa. Need to know one. So, say my son will be to the catch all.
Go down. What's all calling for?
I'm only running for my life.
You are running for your life?
Yes.
What about me? You don't think about me. Huh? I'm besides. I didn't hear about Ujinai. Ujinai and the Okoshayan. I didn't appear when I didn't know about. Huh? It means when it's hand and your man anything, say a poor Namudin someone yes.
No. Say a catcher on one year. A kind of 1 year. Omotos no poem. Hanumati. Yes, they are more dangerous than you can ever think of. I only pray say what down for no. Hey, Blackie, he's still alive. Because I don't think he can ever make it.
They say, oh, how many are dreaming of him? Say, when it's her near man, and Mudin someone who will, yes, I could call me colleagues back.
The catcher was saying, could be deep. They are only here for excursion. Because it's seminal case. Either someone woo, someone won't call him. Trust me. Whether they are dead or alive, I can't tell you. It's either we join forces now or we lose our lives. I'm only here to save those children. Because my back and hobby.
Yeah!
Only son, I can't be.
The beer no become me, made you wait.
Listen, Mr. Soldier. Mr. Soldier,
what?
How can I kill my colleague soldier man?
Are you a soldier?
Yes. Listen, you better untie me now. I can sense them.
You can sense them?
They are getting closer.
Then you are among of them?
No, they are getting closer. You better do it now.
Some can you now? You better than me, Maggie.
Listen to the sound. Do it or we lose our lives. What? Yes, they are getting closer. What else? I'm over. Do it now. Do it now. Do it fast! Fast! Good. Now listen.
Hey!
No, don't move. I'm off forever. Never.
Mia. Everybody. Hey! That's okay.
Rita. Jai. Hey, maybe I'm a friend. Ready, me. Where go ban say? Huh? What's a ban son? And I did many party. From Colani be a chair. And I'm you to me because I have bread. You paid your biasia yet tonight. Sister, yet what's a honey some colana back put him finny. Jesus. Danny, come on.
Nani, once scatter the baisano, many returning crown. A crown our class one, and Isaac, and it keep other side, yeah, Cindy. Danny, me who Rita. Me who Rita, Danny.
Ah, Sembe Cranny.
Me who Rita. Ain't it yet a jabia say, Cindy. The Muyani say, what vanish?
And I hear you reading a nanny. Yes, I had two us. You must say, what far boy back when I made it. Many rose, so yet a film. And I'm going to be most a comage. Me go to many. A homa, and I sin a rose, a cobble dream. And I'm sounded too. Right, I didn't see. That's nice. Somebody have a PM. So
the Muyani is a crana vanishing, my womb baby of fire. Since I come in here crying, qua. There's a me woman in army.
Hey. Oprah. Are you okay? You okay? Danny, you okay?
Maybe I miss me free, sir. Maybe I miss me free. Some so bad sound, no colony be the mechi, and I have got. I mean, once a baby came near the Hinaya, retreat, and Uncle Amy will be the mechi. Yanina Musa, son a bear, you are a behumo, and in Nami, we are say, and from maybe about fire and temu. Now, crab, I couldn't do what. It's all come a friend who cried, I'm so way, son, a fire baby. Me kwatua me no some kwhwa bibi na bia kwan me nkwhwa Letitia na duas na ne yam ama na pie na chi Letitia se Letitia nka ye ho biem hey so asemi me hunu me kan ye wo fie e na me ka kire mo se headmaster de na no boss asem no so na me ka kire mo se me ye ma hye na se me yemu so hye wa asem ho a me ebesinye yesi ye ka asem cho na wanti a wokwa anti ade ne ye ne afi na madwe si so papa no de na o kire kwan no e ti so onu wonim ba bi ode ye fa hai de se ni petimu sulta ha me ti cry tikika
Danny, you okay?
Are you alive? Thank you, Jesus.
What's happened? Then you know man easy. Danny. You know man. Miss me no who cross about say. I've regretted coming here. Time na chicheche mo no. Ah. Sen kware me no be di me ho. Me ne kwai ni namu. Ene be ka kwana ba ko me nchen. Very good. Tim da kwana ye den e ko pe bi ate. Tu kwa bi Musa Debi ba. Na the name is aso hu no. Transparent bi sa. Aso hu no. Na boni shame. Wo shame. Every man say me wo aben. Yes. To say me sacrifice me kra de ma aboa no. Wo kuma wi. Eti me pa. Na ba. Fortunate na ababi kura me. Very good. Sample da ba na teta aboa no. Am tete no. For them the Jesus. Fantastic. She. No. Now abona sa sole. No ti je bia to aso ma ba nim. Etensa di me jato na no dia. Ayi be bakura no. Na kwa na wu. Oh Jesus. Na se nya no nko on. Me sami na mu. Me fu oba no. Me na me tetifa so. Ah me wo be me fa. So late. Me ko hwa enkware baako. Efso the baby ne tin ati da ho. Wo ma ne tin ko ne da ho. Ai. Come na ati da ho. Come ko tete ne tin so.
Danny, I saw this coming. Danny Mekayo.
No, I can tell you. I'm sorry.
Head raising issue ya na me kacha mo se me nenne nya adwene. Semahu. Ena mo all the staff mu di nachi say no, ehon na ye, ehon ye okay. Semahu.
Pat. O kasa ya hwa no kasa yi. O ye ba. En kan che Danny say, ena nsem na ekoso no. Headmaster kan na me so bi. Headmaster me na ni show school mo. O kan me nka bi. We penisi no come in kabi. Na ye na edani na ya no ya no so so.
But already say issue ni buy no. Adenti na mu nyamu tanechi.
E me kasa sawa.
Staff ni nyana mo fa ne so. Na mo tanechi.
Me na tanechi. Ma di to. Ma di to.
Shut the fuck up, Oprah. Don't provoke me.
Danny.
Me provoke.
Danny.
If you fuck with me, I will slap you.
Danny.
Hey, Danny, mami kasa manchero. Hey, wudam. Hani ya won. Hey, order pitai.
Are you daring me?
Oprah.
Hey,
are you guys?
Pat me. I'm coming.
No, please calm down, please.
Hey, mami kasa manchero. Hey, we the strongest survive. Na di di agora wo metane mo bi ma worry.
Are you guys okay? Hey. Oprah.
Wo di di agora wo metane mo bi ma worry.
Are you okay?
You this boy on.
So hona be me. So hona be me. Be ka wo de chewing gum na ma hwe no hey. Me ma twen you. School me na ma keso.
Oprah.
Oprah.
Hey, Tebasa.
Madam, I'm coffee.
Calm down.
Relax, okay? Relax.
See, let me catch you. Yem pe kwan. Ye can free say.
Yeah.
Oti.
I don't know ye.
Let me catch you. Never mess up with me. Oti.
Danny, please.
What's that trench?
Danny.
Wo hona be me ka wo.
Oprah.
Hey!
No, wait!
What'd you say?
Okay.
Nancy! Ah! Nancy! Nancy! Where you are? Eh? Yes. Where you are?
Madam, sir. And Uncle, the best cashier, I say. And yes, dear.
Oh, by Skeshua.
Best cashier.
I can't believe it. I do what you say, Rana. I'm not just will buy a sketch with woman on my island. What can be? Jesus Christ. Listen. Omakaway.
They just say no. And Uncle, I don't say no.
No. I can't believe it. I'm calling you.
I'm crying now.
No survivor.
I'm a cook coming on and so.
Listen, Nancy. Your first coffee. Michelle fee. Right. Yes.
And coffee. Watching yet. Maybe I'll call it a one year and coffee, Miss Rowe.
Miss meets me coffee. And young grandma Grima.
What do you mean by saying move back here?
Move back here, Meba.
Move back here, Oba.
Yes.
And I mean, nice meaning. Huh?
Zach.
And that's just so cool, baby. And I know Tiana. Okay, so back on all.
Look at his face. He's everything I've got. Come fast for me, young crying here. Okay. Just what I'm now when I be Jack crazy. I don't mind more hand. Agu, when do I? Pray my wife. Hey, it's my boy. Hello. Hey, my boy. Eh? My boy. I just cross here one thing at this time of the day. I'm so deep for my girl. Oi, let's see. Maybe I'm not managed to Yana. Granny be a bit jealous here. Hey, my boy. Eh? Oi. Hello, Che. And the video also here. So we are not feel for
my father.
Good afternoon.
Nana Colay.
Me crowd say me call Francis. Me kuhunu na me ba no. Kwem na me hia abofrei. No oti moroba biase. Awudi for magro, odi na ti magro. Ma hwehwe no ma me ama busa ntem ho nyina me ni me bi ma me wo sia.
Enti ba na wakohia so obi ba te bodo ba se aha ya ade na ebeye. But I have charity home.
Say, Winnie, Mimi Husano, Nessenka may hear my Michel Quantum command, my Busa and Temofuni now, Busa Winesi, Ubiasu in Macquarie. A great fear PSC. Let's me have for name, my Michel Quay.
But I don't think you are doing the right thing. Because the best thing I make us say, you're finding police station. I
thought it was a Captain Beko police station, but the TN say, fine, meaning Randy. But Aquano, me change junk for be brave area hoing na. And if you hear Akura, me the junk for say, in case Sabia, will be a bucket to a bit or to see ya, on refuge here. Say, Antio Mamenka. I know what the rules say, I know what the law says. It will make police station at the Obiano, Minomaka.
I hope you are doing the right thing.
Sure.
With this, I know my right stuff.
No, why if you no corner, no, ne clean kakra, none entirely no. Oh, yes, paper money in a washing. Also, once we had no wife. No wife, son entirely no. O bata ya pawa wo ba sa akwa no hin so akwa no wuni me bi wo na wuti fi wa relax it. Careless mother na akwa eti form odi na temu agro me giri say na chande at least so am be hunu e ba le cha kwa sure yeah ele tina minti minya no ho dika wo fi me ba
Debi Andrew Miss me just a cry. Miss me just Andrew. Say, we jam walk quiet.
Listen, I'm say there's hope. There's hope in life. Hey, unim say me no, them just win who. But emra improve on now catch me say what's on the from so why you see no. There was hope. There was trust that everything has gone through. Why are there? Listen, what you do? Thank you so much. Hey, but the thing the person who say yes. Men men can't you be a whole yet. Yes, we need a man can't you be. No, we be see a qua. You are angry na me ba.
Also for life.
I'm dressing up my ba me ba bombechi. Say me day. What's a bema be fee? Yes. And I be me chiro mo. Oni, be say omo wonder say, no, I will offer him find the way army. Then we will army. No who say yes, you will boy for baby. What I say, almost a me no na definitely almost a one out boy. Yes. You will nua. What I say, I be sure every. Why are you? Seriously. Minaji. Hey! It's not easy. Several years. Applications are not applied. Oh, good. That's good. It's very easy. Shit. Because it's hard.
See, I know. We have ballistic one. And also, you foul. What I say? Yes. Into no, Miangsa. Sat 2 days time. Me kwa. Then bien set. Wo baswa eni kwase training wodi diago bra ke fa training diago ho no ase woni e wona de diago ho no diago anka
woni se me fa me training diago da woni
me se won for training diago
akobo ko na me si park so me be training for diago me fit and kasa wo so ni me ko so training hard all right say me business I mean business yeah woni me say me so there. What is me hard? Oh, maybe so. Baby, you have to be ready. Hey, Mrs. Sojan, me mean it seriously. I will do it. Hey, Minyachi, from now on, I say, we'll see that baby.
All right.
What's that couple? It's an only, almost any, I'm replying. We show me say, I'm see on the 14th. And maybe be our marriage.
Oh, see, I don't, would you collect you?
Me didn't want to get
would you always me a foul?
Good, that's it. Me
my be just said, would you always me a foul?
10 minute problem. Say the 14th, meet him about 14th. I say me might before 14th.
Okay, before 14th, no,
never 10th.
Me come my phone number.
Oh, quite I'm a 12. One friend come see my bar. Now she many brother. I'm going to have many brother, no, brother.
I mean, no, my meaning for
meaning so women.
Last weekend, you buy no.
What's on the buy no?
Then Unia. So about the year. Oh, quiet. It's like a man about the only. So 2 days time we go. 2 days here. It was a one year, but today, oh, quiet. Remember?
Okay. What one?
Ah, me now. Me see who could you me throw? Who call you? I got the chance we back. Look at me, young coming over, but I say I'm one to see you. Peggy, maybe answer. Okay, I'll go from Yammy Pants. What I say, yeah, straight away. Me, yeah, let me pass straight. That's me, brother. Listen, why you be? The way on your push out. Don't you super brothers? And I'm going to be and see you.
Oh my God.
The others have a beer and see you. Yes. If you say, oh, no, true, and I'll hear my woman. Emra so na ye na no woni go fa ne no nam ne so to de ne nya boafo a e ba ko ne tima ko na ni ye wo mo amimi ne o san ya ansa na mi hu ne so afo ne de to de na mi hia mo na ko mo na ase ya e mo be afiri bia ne so wo de e wie mu e su mu be frewa e to de e bu to ni kwa na to so a to ni se ni mo ba mo what I say it me pick me what anytime mun ya watch so ye nya Misha, the way. Misha, make us a stop him up by when you are Jangasa. Whatever call. Opa. All right. Trust me. Hey, all right. Bye. Nancy. We the communicative they might be piano on a pay. The tennis says, so back I'm in commerce with you must send them 1 minute. With the meeting Dumukana, Minyashim free. What I say, they made me the Miss my boy with my baby on 1 day, but it's a problem. And for now, no cry, no mess. This year, there's no way I'm meeting my survival. But the mere Amado. Over the same because say, me apply Navy last 2 years, my young boy. Oh, me went school for last 2 years. Me apply my young boy. And last year, so me apply so yeah, my young boy. And me do. This one I may apply there for me. On my reply, me say meet me there. Abba for enlistment. Then when me do my ending of this month, yeah, call for enlistment. Then me do my is senior month, near good training. Achakra some few weeks time near pass out. A pass out I full soldiers. Mr. Tidia Bayesikan kasa. Tell me catch you now who say na me ma do mo kwan bi so ma abrabo na dwuma sam ekuyi mame. So
Baby. Men kwa de mempene. Ah,
sese.
This adwuma dada wani die chentu nyai. Adwuma we mo konto kwa mo ko peta ndoko a mo tini wu at any time. Nti eno na ope.
Ebiti wuni soja de film nkura be man ka to say me film nkura be na me nigi soja ho. What I say me nko soja pa dia nya dia me no like me ni bejida. So nyame ma desa kwan we bia ma me a me dwuma sam nye de medical din. What I say me nko ba ko fo be me bre mi pa ba bia nyi. Ne nya ko pa ma desa me nya soja mu kwan a. Eye ma me nko enye obia na ko owu na wo ka me ma te e atesem. Ate pense man fo ko buda.
Eyatisem na okwanti wa nhwe TV so news bebrebe ye mento kwa omko pattern to kwa wo rough
ebu o kwa na esini omo heda twa sini is part of sini bi omo twa
ye wo bebre nkasa no kwa de me
ti enye obia na ewu esu obia na iti atere me che wono se ene uko barracks aso fo bebre wo no ade ti omo nyina nwui what I say obu wo no kwa kwa be 6 years 11 years no so yam onwui eye de bia na metimi mi ma kopsa peacekeeping ni bi nyamia do na kwan bi metimi ye course bo ma be officer street me na nko peacekeeping ni we ni bi
sisi a wo ko ti me so me de mende se me so me tama so se me so me ko school se woni sisi a wo jam ho akoi me so me training college no tama so se me ko nti sisi a wo jam ho kwa wan na behwe me jam no why wo na wo hwe me kakra anya wo ko ba wan sidi kura wo de mame nti se wo hwe me na sa me ko na me wia na kam na ko ye adwuma na me de abehwe fie nti se wo jam nko a ho na wo kwa na
me responsibility se me hwe fie
Umsa says me boade. Nenso no fa me ko ne bi ni ho. Sisi a working. So be ko school kwa na me ko first kana we fa na abo. Enti bompa ye mame na me ntimi nyemu kwa mbrem yi fast, mbrem faster. The ten is first pay. Na me maduna first pay enya pape. Only first person me send am out.
Na say wo ko anya say wo ko ya na ye tua wo ka. I was say wo pass through a yibi na qualify ansana.
Say wo training we a anya bia menim say na pay ni sem say de ba me kwa no say na say ti bia etu obi aka. Me ko pay ma ba me nyina ye ho ato ye no nti say me nyendai.
Yentina Osei.
Yentina Osei. Ah, na konya we bia ma me sim betra Osei.
Debi.
The only me the kind of make catch on now ya we say nyame aduma achekwa next week ya eko. Me ko no vampire type is simple and short. Me happy na betra ye no talk. Say ko me achekwa two next week ya meko.
Two parties say won fi mi ana.
Aya bo tire we je so otimase. E adwuma na me ko pe. Ekoye be koye ma yina. E so otimase.
Nti na me ka fam. Nti che se kin ne kin de ugina na ugina me boa.
Oh, there be ne de ko de beko.
Wo beko.
Sure, meko.
Me ma wati ase se. Sanya me nyumi ne ye kan se ye beto aso ama kodu akire no. Ya be di. Ye nto aso bi. Eno ano.
Debi o. Nancy. No time me ko pe adwuma ba na ana me ko ye adwuma anye kakra ba fie no. Abe ho ade. Ya dan ko na no di ye. Go for utwa fa so. Me jua bo me di anka wo.
Amen. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I want to say
Boko. I have Boko one of them.
Na wo ba me akonwampo.
It's the 19. Ye chene se obaye. Na me ya ade akobe bi akonwa no so e ba akopenti. Esiro just ugina.
Be de me nkwa me sempa. Em so obra kra me say okoye adwuma kakra. Okoye 3 months ni maintain nka. Me friend so a enko. Ena ansem nso me hunyam yi.
Wonya fever na.
Oh, Debbie. Me ko check ya na em say nsen oho. Ena me say wo akwa ni nua ba yi de. Am say saade ya me ba pebo wa mane. Nya bia sa wotene nka na nka wa yede. Obona mane ama me.
Wait. Mete asem na wo kan ya na. Na nsem hunye wujiye. Wone me branyam. Wonim se me ba kwa 3 months ni. Na se 3 months ni e ba ne sen na wotumi nanti fi wo fie pam be ka chem se wone me branyam.
Se da anya big deal bia sa. Nti wo akwa ni nua ba ya na me say me bo wa mane. Se na be ya betimi support me wo nyoma kakra.
Zipet ye come on me tie wias we hu. Me nya waje se woni ate o, nemo woni ate a, o ma konche ate. Se what na make am. Wa koye de be se me bra na asese.
Nti de okay kire me no. Ha? Ke hu sa anya kra me ye wo bra girlfriend.
Zip it. In fact, close side him. So person would show me ladylike type. Be an example, not me.
Me tutu me nai pam free me fia ba say e be kasa asempa we akire no. Instead of say when ni beji no.
Shut up. Omo mujina carnation. Circle. Any more corner. Eton pure waters. Mo chen wo.
Anya wona wa ye bibi. Andrew na ye bibi because me kasa kire no tie ya. Nka wo medina manim endi
Madam jai kwa just now you fi akona no
na wa ye bibi wate.
Me brana na sexy things why wa kofa gbadawe. So oba kokoko ni chele bi esun. Kona me nyinya madi papa bi obese mi mu nkra. Oh gosh. When you are brand be manaba. Omo bibi we village champion we be keka kwasa so much. Gosh, I don't even have time for this.
We are seeing power. To me, pa, now I'm say. What me say? Also, so me home baby our fan. Me from swim go. Yeah. Narati. Ain't me be shock while ya na sa me betina say shama school ya me. Wait a minute, tenacity. It's me, yes, I'm school mommy.
What? Nancy! It's not on you. And what man can't answer me? My son! You must be crazy! It's me back. What to actually? Wait me from me. And put from me, catch him situation saying our from. Wait man catch me and you throw that boy away. See, you must be wicked.
Ja!
Sir! I know dear.
Oh, Jesus. What's going on here?
This is my blood.
What?
Akwane me moja.
Say moja mo drampa.
You have no time to waste.
Take your ba.
Yeah, come on.
Breaks are them crying now. Breaks are coming. Breaks are them crying now.
I'm in now. Okay, let's go.
Jesus.
Just stay calm. Stay calm.
Soldier.
Yes.
What is happening? And we Marsuel.
I'm teachers. And our crown associate students. Mama be couple muhan. Auntie mama, the boy will must marry woman. That boy is my son.
Semana catch him. No cray.
And the lady with the pink top and also hey and mommy. Trust me.
I feel like some walk on. My cheating.
Andrew!
Hey! Take care of them. Famoko! We're fighting for food.
Let's go.
Move.
Social welfare for us.
Yeah, me call. Say me a bus and not very near me. I have to make a call straight to social welfare. You know what I'm saying? It's in a Kasai, as I call. It's no come some guidelines, some procedures, BSMF. It's in the call. It's not saying some board executives will warn him. It's not saying, I buy a banner or seasons in a pussy. But one back to me now, so I'm here. Age 19. Jodini, a fast guidelines in my meeting. It's you some room, question. Next, we go to a penny back, me former teacher back in the days. Ma no quite sure we may so much eating come on. Say assembly be as in the free office near the fee. But I can't one or two things be as a me. Now I can be legally and be by. So it's We might not say I is my biological son. They send me a family and give me son and if you so skill is in children so with you. So we know who so I from was in next week I remember some clarification you want me some clearly I may sign some signatures. Yeah, sure. We are okay. All the same, I said I never made me. I didn't see the honest because I from day one, I'm in the person. I had this feeling, an emotional feeling for this child.
Because the same feelings, and I mean, so many more crying about school, we are not. The show be like care and my crying. It's in a minute, I said, Mamma, my colleague back with crabby sons, and I didn't know like with pen as them, so I'm serious, anybody. There's no beer and name. Oh, sir.
But come to think of it, the person who said questions excursion. My teacher now organizing excursion, the visiting site for visiting. And then I pray come to choose duty for a zoo for a place of visit for excursion. And take my Kodana, then go move be a Hoppe. Because to me, the meaning is a place for visit or a tour site.
Once I walk on something now, I'm telling you, Menkasa. Just say, headmaster, not the winning by say, young list, baby, I bed. My name, my colleagues, no LST Bia, come. Hey, baby, your quarter. Kakum National Park, Kumawood Museum, and then Cultural Center. I'm at the opportunity. Yet, headmaster, and I see me, you the Wajet to Baba on a day. Oh, for so say, Kakum National Park.
You walk compared to what I also encountered with him before saying local forest. Looking at the things in my life, they didn't share. They won't come with relating to what you are telling me. Just say he intentionally choose that place for excursion. But the new one says, "No, wako Hoppe yana." We may say we so just say wako Hoppe. And let me tell you one thing about that forest. It's a very dangerous place. Me as a military man. Your call so you move first. Within first 2 years, in a terrible experience, I was a forester. And my impuni a bandi and pussy into my head and country was a forester. So I wonder why I said, oh, we go to Susa military forest zone as a site for excursion. So it's looking at things, my report case to be I think Ghana Police Service in Makasa and I think the military also services, I engage into some discussions with artists in the Myanmar and then at least in the Chinati, the call on board when he's in India. Yes, because the parents are also serious about this issue. They are also involved in all this discussion here. If we bring him back to bookness, and he was all coming on country or explain the reasons in China. Just say. Me and man are cheap up.
Master, I was doing it. Yeah, I'm Detective Kwabenesian Berima from Regional Crime Office. Please, we would like your headmaster to answer some questions at office. So, should in case of anything, just come around, okay? So, sir, please, let's go. Oh, yes, right now.
Let me talk to him. No, let me talk to him. I beg of you.
We are beyond time.
I know,
Can
but
you be in a hurry?
no, but what I'm also telling him is very important to me. Oh, please, the drawer is not locked. There's some money inside and other things as well. So I beg of you, lock the drawer and lock the main door for me, and take care of the place for me. Okay?
I think you are done. So be in a hurry. The way you are treating, I don't like it. I've heard you before.